Old, failing gutters don't just look bad. They put your entire home at risk. At Alpha, we start by removing and properly disposing of your old gutter system. Then we fabricate your new gutters on site, meaning no seams across the runs. No seams means fewer leaks ongoing and a system built to last. We use premium 032 gauge aluminum, which is thicker and more durable than the 027 most companies use. Our gutters are secured with these hidden hangers, and we space them properly to ensure maximum support. When you choose Alpha, you're getting a system designed to perform and built to last. Upgrade your home with a gutter system done right by Alpha.